You can now have a voice message with Perplexity on both WhatsApp and Telegram, and let me show you how you can do it. For WhatsApp, first you have to open a browser and then navigate to this URL. The URL is wa.me/the phone number of Perplexity. You can pause this video and then you can copy this, or you can check the full link in the video description. And after that, you have to continue the conversation with Perplexity via WhatsApp. So this is what it looks like. Right now, it is currently empty, and I'll start sending a message via a voice message. So to do that, you have to click on the microphone icon and start speaking. Hi there, how are you today? Send a message and just wait for Perplexity to come back with a response. Now, what's unique about it is that this is not going to show you text answer. Instead, it will create an audio answer. So this is a new way to conversate with Perplexity. And I think this is going to be much more desirable for anyone that doesn't want to read too much content. But there is a problem though, because it's not going to tell you the sources that is being used to generate the answer. So this is not exactly a way to do a research, but just for doing a basic conversation, or maybe a quick question that you want to get answer very quickly. And also it took quite a while to actually provide the answer. As you can see, it's still generating the answer, it's still typing, even though it's not typing, but it takes a bit longer than just a regular text answer. So let me play the audio.
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Hope your Monday is going well. What's on your mind?
Right, so that was the answer. That's how you can do it on WhatsApp. But on Telegram, it's a bit different. Let me show you how you can do it. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to be using Telegram desktop. But this feature, Perplexity, is available on both desktop, mobile, or maybe the desktop app. It's available everywhere. Now, to chat with Perplexity on Telegram, you have to find the Perplexity account first. So let's type Perplexity and click the Perplexity with the blue checkmark icon. And there you go. So here, ready to try it, just type below. There is no below, but I have to click the start button basically. Okay, now I'm going to send a voice message. Hi there, how are you? Send a message and it will come back with the audio content as well. And as usual, it's not going to show you the resources, and it took a bit longer than just regular text answer. But then again, this is only good for just asking basic question or something that you want to get the answer very quickly. Let me play the audio.
It looks like you've sent an audio message, but I can't listen to audio. Could you please type out your question or message? I'll be happy to help.
Okay, that's quite interesting, because the demo tells me that it is possible to use voice note on Telegram, but maybe because I'm using the desktop web version, I believe the desktop app and the mobile app version can do it just fine. So anyway, that's how you can send a voice message via to Perplexity via WhatsApp and Telegram. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.